Alright, so I'm headed to Tractor Supply so I can pick up a trailer so I can rent and go pick up my find from Facebook Marketplace. So some of y'all may know that if you're trying to do some rainwater harvesting, you're going to need a big storage tank. So occasionally I get on Facebook and I'll look around. And one day, a couple days ago, I finally found something that piqued my interest. This here 900-gallon water tank for $200. I got to go get it. So I got it. This is it. Let me tell you a little bit about how I did get it. So I got on Facebook the other day, Facebook Marketplace, and I came across something that I've been looking for a minute. So this is what we got. Not the trailer. This good old rain barrel right here. Water collection tank. The guy said it was about, I think he said 900 gallons. So it's used, he owns some kind of aquarium building company that builds fish tanks. But it's got a couple holes in it that it needs to be patched up. There's one right there. There's two down there. And I think there's one more up here on the top. But looks like it's in good condition. It's a little dirty. It's got to be cleaned out. Some debris in there, all that good stuff. But no leaks or anything like that from what he says. We'll test it out. And I'm going to go up to the car wash to get it cleaned out. Not the drive-through one, but the one that you just put some money in and you get like a sprayer and a hose. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to throw some soap in there, clean it out real good, and figure out how I'm going to drain it. So here we go. Alright, so I just made it up to the car wash. So I think I'm going to go ahead just so I can have a little bit of better angle so I can let this drain out afterward. I think I'm going to take that part down just like I tilt this and let it drain. Go ahead and get that out. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and use some of this Dr. Bronner's hemp Castile soap. It's supposed to be good for the environment and stuff, so I don't feel bad that it's going to get me where. Then I'll probably rinse it out real good and make sure there's no more soap in there. It should be good to go. I'm going to make sure I just keep this set on water too. Just high pressure rinse so I can get all that stuff out the bottom. Alright, so I messed up and I pressed the button when I moved the camera, so I didn't get some of the footage, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and take it home because I can't get this flipped over by myself on this trailer because it's gonna tip over. So I'm gonna take it home, flip it upright, let it drain out, then put it back on the trailer or prop it up so that all the liquids in the front, all the water, then I'll put in my submersible pump, and then I'll have the pump run till it gets everything that it can get out. And then maybe I'll use a shop vac and dry the rest up with maybe like a towel or something. And that'd be it. Guess time to go home. All right, after I thought about it for a little bit, I figured out how I could get the water out without flipping it upside down. So, or flipping it up and letting it drain out. So we got these things right here on the side. So I'm gonna push the tank back a little bit, and then I'm gonna rotate it so that these are pointing down. Then I could just tilt up the front just a little bit, and then all the water should drain out. So that's a little bit easier. Hold on, try not to. You ready to put your feet up? You need help?
Perfect, perfect, perfect,
Alright, here we go. Oh, this thing was fast. Oh, I think it's full. That was like 15 start off. That was fast.
I didn't know that was water, was it?
Gotta get the dirty stuff too. All right, so we just finished washing out the tank, and it was pretty easy. It was better. It worked out a little bit better than I had planned for it. What we did was we put on a decline so that this part over here is the low side, and we filled it up a little bit, rinsed it with the water hose, and then got the shop vac, and then just got the water that pulled up around right here, and everything came out real easy. We were able to rinse out all the sediment and stuff from all around there, so it's pretty clean, and it's probably less than a couple, I don't know, probably less than a cup of water in there actually, but everything worked out real good. And only thing now to do is to get a lid order, a 16-inch lid that goes around right here. That's where the water is going to go in at, and then we got, I think, like 4 holes to patch up. Got to get one for right there, 2 down there, and then there's one somewhere along the top. I don't know where it's at. Oh, it's a small one right here. I think that one's like a 1/2 inch. The other ones, this one's 2 inch. The other 2 are 1.25 inches. So after I get those closed up, get the lid on there, then we can paint it. We're gonna paint it black, and then we should be good to go after that. So stay tuned, and eventually we'll be catching some rainwater. You ready? You ready to stand up?
fai, guarda. Hai i soldi che trovi sempre.